Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this gentleman I've been working with the last couple of days about this dog, and he said he actually bought this file from Shutterstock. Well, I can't believe they have their trademark still on it, but he did a comparison, and the lines are thicker, and that's easily fixed. But I thought I'd show him and you how I would trace this. So I'm going to go to bitmaps, and I'm going to resample, and it's only 54 dots per inch. So I'm going to make it 300. I'm going to go and you'll watch this when I convert it to a bitmap and convert it to black and white. The Shutterstock kind of goes away, but still some of the stuff is here and it's probably still there. I'm going to trace bitmap, quick trace Clipart. He used another trace, but I'm going to use Clipart, which I always use, and I think it works the best in most cases for me anyway. And you could do a lot with remove background, but I'm not going to go there. Now I've got my nudge factor set on 10 inches, and I'm going to take the copy and move it out of the way, which is now the traced version. I'm going to take the rectangle tool, I'm going to draw a rectangle, and I'm going to hit it in yellow. I'm going to put it to the back of the page. I've got a hotkey for that, but if you go to range and you can hit back a page. Then I'm going to take this, I'm going to go to range, I'm going to ungroup it. And then I'm going to click on the white and just take it away. But if you do it on the center, and we're also going to take away this name. But if you do this on the center and take it away, you get a black dog. So what you need to do is, you've got that white selected. Let's move it out of the way and let's right click a hairline. Now let's take this and put no fill and right click. Now you see we still have some of the graphics there. We can take our hairline and move it right back. Whoop. I did not take away the white. But now you have a hairline, and we'll just grab one of these and there you go. That's pretty much done, a transparent dog. Now you would also want to right click the hairline so you won't have a hairline. And I think it looks exactly as this did. The line thickness is about the same. And you can see it's a vector graphic, pretty clear. The one he had, there were some problems with, like right in here, the line thickness was different. But that's how I would do it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.